Yeah. Okay. You know the lines are falling onto us in pleasant places, and we got a bright future. You know what it is. M2Shine, shine so bright. Yeah. The blessings of God in my life now, so nothing's gonna change it. I got everything. The Lord is my shepherd, I'm wanting nothing. The lines are falling onto me in pleasant places. I got a bright future. There is no U-turn. I've been made to sit with Christ in heavenly places. Far above everything, the higher life I'm living. The spot of just to walk, saying nothing can suppress. You won't find me in a God presence at the dwelling. My heritage is so clear. You should do your own check. The beautiful life, say that's what I'm rocking. Regular toothpaste, come see the water. The blessings of God in our life, now so the beautiful things we are use, now so ever see everything be, now so I say, now so I be, now so the blessings of God in our life, now so the beautiful things we are use, now so ever see everything be, now so I say, now so I be, now so I pray for so much swag, but without dag to Heavenly Father, right inside my house. Every day I holler, now I don't harm. The blessings of God in my life, I'm not the same. Now at my back house, no empty container, overflowing everything. I just celebrate from people benefiting from my overflowing measure. Treasure, edge, I beg, don't mention. God made us blessed, so we become flexing, all run flexing. So much vexing, my brother no vexing. Don't follow me, you're plenty. Saying I'm a timing, and I the rhyming. The blessings of God in our life, now so the beautiful things we are use, now so ever see everything be, now so I say, now so I be, now so the blessings of God in our life, now so the beautiful things we are use, now so ever see everything be, now so I say, now so I be, now so the blessings of God in our life, the beautiful things we are use, ever see everything be, I say, now I be. The blessings of God in our life, now so the beautiful things we are use, now so ever see everything be, now so I say, now so I be, now so the blessings of God in my life, the beautiful things we the use, say ever see everything be, now so now so yeah. You know God has given us everything, FBC free of charge. We don't need to struggle for